Hi guys and welcome to my video, and today I'll be showing you how to make some LEGO Beyblades. As you can see on my table I have 5 different LEGO Beyblades. Each of them are different to each other. Like this one, it doesn't have that much pieces, but this one has way more. And we definitely won't be making any of these blades. I know there's people out there who has lots of Lego pieces. Okay, so maybe I have lots too, and that's why we're gonna make LEGO Beyblades. Today, this is the one we were gonna be focusing on. Ready guys? Let's do this. Okay, these are the pieces you will need to make your awesome LEGO Beyblade. 1 long cylinder, an oval shaped tip with 4 holes in it, a 2x2 cube, two large round circles, two 4x4 squares, let's get cracking. Okay, so the first step is to add these two large round circles and squish them together. The second step is to take your 2 4x4 squares and place them in the center of your 2 circles. Your third step is to get the 2x2 cube and place it on top in the center of the 4x4 square. Put that to one side. Then get your cylinder, your long cylinder and your oval shaped tip. Put them together. For the final step, add the cylinder and the tip and put it in the center of your of your square. Here you have an awesome LEGO Beyblade. Now you know how to make a Beyblade. I hope you use those spare LEGO pieces to make some awesome Beyblades. Now guys that we have an awesome Beyblade, LEGO Beyblade, let's test it. Whoa, that was so cool. It has lots of power and stamina. Now, let's test the bay we made earlier. Even though it doesn't have that much stamina, it's way more powerful than this bay, this LEGO bay. Now, let's see which one's the toughest. Whoa, this is so cool. Let's try it again. I think it's safe to say this bay's a better bay. Now that you know how to make some awesome LEGO blades, use your LEGO pieces and make some awesome LEGO blades. I hope I've inspired you in using your spare LEGO pieces to make LEGO Beyblades. Thanks for watching and bye!